Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install drivers on Windows 10. First step, download this software. I will leave the download link on the description below. Click on that link and then click on free download. Now we have downloaded the software. Just install the software. Now click on scan to scan all drivers and see what is missing. Now the scan has finished. All you have to do now is click on update. Then the software will download the driver. After the software downloads the driver, it will install it. Now all the drivers have been updated, and that's it for this video. If you like my video, give us a like and subscribe to my channel.